For your pleasure, I created a dream. Our fantasy will have no limits, no boundaries. Dig the rhythm, the rhythm. Rhythm that is like an eruption that goes through your body. It's like a sensation.